you going?
What you doing?
Being dumb. Trying to spill this too.
He would rather use his fingers than use a knife. Austin, what happened this morning?
I puked because I ate jelly beans last night. And too much Thai food.
Yeah, so I think where we left off in our vlog yesterday, we were at the dog beach, and then, or no, where were we? I don't remember.
The dog beach.
We were either at the dog beach or in Belmont, or we went to so many places yesterday. I just can't remember where I left off on the vlog, but I remember we went to the botanical gardens, and that was really cool. Yeah, so anyway, since I think we left off, we went to Belmont and watched the sunset, and then we went to this Thai restaurant and got some food. I got pumpkin curry and he got pad Thai. It's a vegan Thai place, so it was like extra special. But we think Austin ate too much and he got sick this morning. And we've kind of been in this parking lot ever since. And yeah, we're in Ocean Beach right now. So we're gonna go hit up the farmer's market.
Ocean barf.
Yeah, apparently you
the fisherman's barf.
What did you do? You
puked in a toilet full of shit. And I puked all over the floor.
Really? I bet you was graphic, huh?
Scarred for life.
Scarred for life, he says. Alright. I know.
Baby. 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 You're at the dog beach.
Austin, what's Sparky doing?
Begging.
Yeah, there's someone over there that has treats or something. Sparky and like half the dogs are over there.
Here he comes. Mr. Funny Pants.
Hey, what are you doing? Are you begging?
What are you gonna say, punk?
What are
Wanna
you
go?
talking about?
Wanna go? No.
You say so. Guys, just checking in. Today hasn't really been the greatest day ever or anything because Austin doesn't feel well, and we're just kind of hanging low for right now. So right now we're back at Dog Beach in Ocean Beach because we really like it here and Sparky does. So we're just gonna hang out until sunset. We're at this place called
Better Buzz.
Bed and Buzz. And it's super intense.